Good morning, viewers and students who have not subscribed my channel Saraswati Teaching. Subscribe it, share it, give comments, click on the bell icon. Let us start our topic, the trunk of Ganesha, chapter 2. The 61-year-old Ganesha had a large family to support. This included a son who had a wife and two children. He has turned out to be an irresponsible debtor who spent his days away from the house, fishing idly for shrimp and carp in the Mahanadi. The second son had been taken in as an apprentice in a paper mill. There remained only the youngest, a mere 13-year-old. Out of the three, he alone showed promise of taking up the ancestral profession, thus restoring a measure calm to the father's mind. 61 ବର୍ଷୀୟ ଗୋବିନ୍ଦକୁ ଏକ ବଡ଼ ପରିବାର ଚଳାଇବାକୁ ପଡ଼ୁଥିଲା। ଏଥିରେ ତା'ର ବଡ଼ ପୁଅ, ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଓ ଦୁଇଟି ସନ୍ତାନ ଥିଲେ। ସେ ଦାୟିତ୍ୱହୀନ ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟହୀନ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ଭାବରେ ଘରୁ ଦୂରରେ ମହାନଦୀରେ ଚିଙ୍ଗୁଡ଼ି ଓ ପୋହଳ ମାଛ ଧରି ଅଳସୁଆ ଭାବେ ଦିନ ବିତାଉଥିଲା। ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ପୁଅ ଏକ କାଗଜ କଳରେ କାମ ଶିଖୁଥିଲା। ସେଠାରେ କେବଳ ସାନ ପୁଅ 13 ବର୍ଷୀୟ ରଞ୍ଜୁ ଥିଲା। ତିନି ଜଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରୁ କେବଳ ରଞ୍ଜୁ ଏକୁଟିଆ ଏକ କୌଳିକ ବୃତ୍ତିକୁ ଆପଣେଇବାର ଶପଥ ନେଇଥିଲା। ଏହା ବାପାଟିର ମନକୁ କିଛି ପରିମାଣରେ ଶାନ୍ତ କରିଥିଲା। ନ୍ୟୁ ୱାର୍ଡସ୍ ଇରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବୁଲ, ଦାୟିତ୍ୱହୀନ, ଶ୍ରିମ୍ପ, ଚିଙ୍ଗୁଡ଼ି, କାର୍ପ, ପୋହଳ ମାଛ। Apprentice, a person who is learning a trade from a skilled employer, ancestral profession. କୌଳିକ ବୃତ୍ତି, drifter, a person who is continually moving from place to place without any fixed home or job. Let's discuss some questions with answers. How old was Govinda Maharana? Govinda Maharana was 61 years old. What had the eldest son turned out? The eldest son had turned out to be an irresponsible drifter. What had the second son been taken? The second son had been taken in as an apprentice in a paper mill. How old was Ranju? Ranju was 13 years old. In all these years, this experience of his was a new one, a feeling of being alone in a ravenous darkness. All his thinking brought Govinda to the inescapable conclusion that there was an element of the supernatural in the mysterious working of the image. But what had he done to deserve this? His life was ordered, restrained, and so where could he have gone wrong? ଏ ସବୁ ବର୍ଷରେ ତା ପାଇଁ ଏହି ଅନୁଭୂତି ନୂଆ ଥିଲା। ତାର ସମସ୍ତ ଚିନ୍ତାଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଗୋବିନ୍ଦକୁ ଏକ ଶେଷ ସିଦ୍ଧାନ୍ତକୁ ଆଣିଥିଲା ଯେ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତିର ଏହି ରହସ୍ୟମୟ ଭାଙ୍ଗିବାରେ କୌଣସି ଏକ ଅଲୌକିକ ଶକ୍ତି ଥିଲା। କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଭଳି ହେବାରେ ସେ କ'ଣ କରିଥିଲା? ତାର ଜୀବନ ଶୃଙ୍ଖଳିତ, ନିୟନ୍ତ୍ରିତ ଥିଲା। ତାହେଲେ ଭୁଲ କେଉଁଠାରେ ରହିଗଲା? True that a subtle change had come about in the designing of the clay figures, in the eye catching new apparel, and in the shades of luminous paint he was using these days. But he hadn't gone about making the changes on his own. They had wanted their gods to be more in tune with times. Gradually, therefore, he had endowed the goddess with slim and carved bodies. ଏହା ସତ ଯେ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତିଗୁଡ଼ିକର ତିଆରି ଶୈଳୀରେ ନୂଆ ପୋଷାକ ପରିଧାନ କରିବାରେ ସେ କିଛି ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ କରିଥିଲା ଏବଂ ଏହି ଦିନଗୁଡ଼ିକରେ ସେ ଏକ ଉଜ୍ଜଳ ରଙ୍ଗ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରୁଥିଲା। କିନ୍ତୁ ଏହା ସେ ନିଜ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଅନୁଯାୟୀ ଏହି ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ କରିନଥିଲା। ଲୋକେ ସମୟ ଅନୁସାରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଦେବାଦେବୀ ଏଇଭଳି ଭାବେ ଗଢ଼ିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ। New words. Ravenous, ଅତ୍ୟଧିକ କ୍ଷୁଧାର୍ତ, ସୁପରନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲ, ଅଲୌକିକ ଶକ୍ତି, ମିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିୟସ୍ ରହସ୍ୟମୟ, ଅର୍ଡର୍ଡ ଶୃଙ୍ଖଳିତ, ରେଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଣ୍ଟ ନିୟନ୍ତ୍ରିତ, ଅପ୍ରେଲ କ୍ଲଥିଂ ପୋଷାକ, ଲୁମିନସ୍ ବ୍ରାଇଟ୍ ଉଜ୍ଜ୍ୱଳ, endow provide with a quality ସମୃଦ୍ଧ କରିବା। Let's discuss some questions with answers. What was there in the mysterious breaking of the image? There was an element of the supernatural in the mysterious breaking of the image. What was Govinda using these days? Govinda was using luminous paint these days. How had Govinda endowed the goddess? Govinda had endowed the goddess with slim and carved bodies. But there was nothing flashy about this image of Ganesha he was at work on. Then why should this happen now? Or was it because the price of 250 rupees he had asked for was a large and unreasonable sum for a 6 foot high of Ganesha? He saw his youngest son Ranju come into the workroom and stare at the unfinished Ganesha. There, it's happened again. The boy mumbled bitterly and flinched at the pain he saw in the old man's eyes. କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ କାମ କରୁଥିବା ଏହି ମୂର୍ତ୍ତିରେ କିଛି ଆଡ଼ମ୍ବର ନଥିଲା। ତାହେଲେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏପରି କାହିଁକି ଘଟୁଛି? କିମ୍ବା ଏହାର କାରଣ ଏହା ଥିଲା ଏହି ବଡ଼ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ପାଇଁ ସେ 250 ଟଙ୍କା ମାଗୁଥିଲା ତାର ଏହି 6 ଫୁଟ ଗଣେଶ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ପାଇଁ ଅନୁପଯୁକ୍ତ ଥିଲା କି? ସେ ତା ପୁଅ ରଞ୍ଜୁକୁ କକ୍ଷକୁ ଆସୁଥିବାର ଦେଖିଲା ଏବଂ ସେ ରଞ୍ଜୁକୁ ଅସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଗଣେଶ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତିକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିବାର ଦେଖିଲା। ସେଠାରେ ତାହା ପୁଣି ଥରେ ଘଟିଲା। ବାଳକଟି ଅସ୍ପଷ୍ଟ ଭାବରେ କହିଲା ଏବଂ ବୃଦ୍ଧ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିର ଆଖିରେ ଥିବା ଯନ୍ତ୍ରଣାକୁ ସେ ଦେଖି ପଛକୁ ଘୁଞ୍ଚିଗଲା। New words. Flashy. Flashy ର ଅର୍ଥ ଆଡ଼ମ୍ବର। Unreasonable. Unreasonable ର ଅର୍ଥ ଅନୁପଯୁକ୍ତ। Mumbled. Mumbled means spoke unclearly. अस्पष्ट भावे कहला। Bitterly. तिक्त भावरे। Flinched. Flinched means moved back. पछकु घुंची गला। Let's discuss some questions with answers. What was the price of Ganesha? The price of Ganesha was 250 rupees. What was the height of Ganesha? The height of Ganesha was 6 foot. How did the boy mumble? The boy mumbled bitterly. The image stood incomplete to one side of the room, facing the grilled window, set into the northern wall. Cracks had started appearing at several places where the clay had dried. The skeleton of the image showed its forks through the mud where the trunk had torn. ମୂର୍ତ୍ତିଟି ଅସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଭାବେ କକ୍ଷରେ ଉତ୍ତର କାନ୍ଥକୁ ଥିବା ଝରକା ଆଡ଼କୁ ମୁହଁ କରି ଛିଡ଼ା ହୋଇଥିଲା। ଯେଉଁ ସ୍ଥାନରେ ମାଟି ଶୁଖି ଯାଇଥିଲା ସେହି ସ୍ଥାନଗୁଡ଼ିକରେ ଗୁଡ଼ାଏ ଫାଟ ଦୃଶ୍ୟମାନ ହେଉଥିଲା। ଗଣେଶ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତିଟିର ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଯାଇଥିବା ସ୍ଥାନରେ କାଦୁଅ ହୋଇଥିବା ନଡ଼ା କଙ୍କାଳରୁ ଏହାର କଣ୍ଟା ଉପକରଣ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଦେଖାଯାଉଥିଲା। New words. Appear. Appear ର ଅର୍ଥ ଦୃଶ୍ୟମାନ ହେବା। Straw. Straw ର ଅର୍ଥ ନଡ଼ା। Forks. Forks ଅର୍ଥ ଏକ କଣ୍ଟା ପରି ଶାଖା ଥିବା ଉପକରଣ। Mud. Mud ର ଅର୍ଥ କାଦୁଅ। Let's discuss some questions with answers. How did the image stand? मूर्तिटी किपरि छिड़ा होइतिला? The image stood incomplete. मूर्तिटी असंपूर्ण भावे छिड़ा होइतिला. Where did the image stand? मूर्तिटी केउठारे छिड़ा होइतिला? The image stood incomplete to one side of the room, facing the grilled window, set into the northern wall. What had appeared at several places? Cracks had appeared at several places. Quickly Ranju cleared the debris surrounding the image. He brought a fresh mass of clay and placed it before his father to knead. Govinda looked closely at his son. No, there was no trace of ridicule evident on the young face, no harshness of youth, merely a mute acceptance of the moment. His glance turned to the image again. रंजू खूब शीघ्र मूर्ति चारिआडे थिबा ध्वंसावशेष गुड़िकु सफा कला. से एक सतेज माटी गदा आनिला और ता बापा सम्मुखरे एहाकु दलिया पई देला. गोविंद ता पुओकु निकटरू देखिला. ना सेठारे कौनसी यौवनर उद्दीपना नथिला. तार चाहाणी पुणी थरे मूर्ति आड़कू गला. New words. Debris. Debris अर्थ ध्वंसावशेष. Glance. Glance means quick look. शीघ्र चाहाणी. Need. Need अर्थ दलिवा. Let's discuss some questions with answers. What did Ranju clear quickly? Ranju cleared the debris quickly surrounding the images. What did Ranju bring for his father? Ranju ता बापांको पाई कौन आनिला? Ranju brought a fresh mass of clay for his father. Where did Govinda's glance turned? Govinda's glance turned to the image again. And before he realized what he was doing, his hands were once again kneading the clay warmly, professionally, making it into the right stickiness as he began carefully filling the tear. Govinda had nearly finished mending the broken trunk when Ranju interrupted him. Father, the draught from the window. Maybe it should be closed. एवं से कौन करुथला यह हृदयंगम करने पूर्वर तार हाथ गुड़िक पुणी थे माटी को पेशागत भाव में दलिया लगिला. सठिक अठाड़िया करी ସେ ଯତ୍ନର ସହିତ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଯାଇଥିବା ସ୍ଥାନକୁ ପୂରଣ କଲା। ଗୋବିନ୍ଦ ମରାମତି କାମ ଶେଷ କରୁଥିଲା ବେଳକୁ ରଞ୍ଜୁ ତାକୁ ବାଧା ଦେଲା। ବାପା, ଝରକାରୁ ଆସୁଥିବା ପବନର ସ୍ରୋତ, ଏହାକୁ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେବା ଉଚିତ। ନ୍ୟୁ ୱାର୍ଡସ୍ ନିଡ୍ର ଅର୍ଥ ଦଳିବା। ପ୍ରଫେସନାଲିର ଅର୍ଥ ପେଶାଗତ ଭାବରେ। ଇଣ୍ଟରପ୍ଟର ଅର୍ଥ ବାଧା ଦେବା। Let's discuss some questions with answers. How was Govinda kneading the clay? Govinda was kneading the clay warmly and professionally. What did Govinda begin carefully? Govinda began carefully filling the tear. Who interrupted Govinda? Ranju interrupted Govinda. The image now appeared as clean and smooth as a mannequin. There were no traces of the recurring disaster. The possibility of gust of wind breaking the image was too remote, Govinda thought, but the image had been placed very close to the open window, only a meter away. ମୂର୍ତ୍ତିଟି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏକ ପୁତଳା ପରି ପରିଷ୍କାର ଓ ଚିକ୍କଣ ଦେଖାଗଲା। ସେଠାରେ ବିପର୍ଯ୍ୟୟ ଘଟିବାର କୌଣସି ଚିହ୍ନ ନଥିଲା। ପବନର ସ୍ରୋତ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ଭାଙ୍ଗିବାର ସମ୍ଭାବନା ବହୁତ ଦୂରରେ ଥିଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତିଟି ଖୋଲ ଝରକାଠୁ କେବଳ 1 ମିଟର ଦୂରରେ ଥିଲା। He had shifted the image himself deliberately in order that more light would be available for his work and the wet clay would dry up sooner, facing the draught of wind. But that wind could be a destroyer had never entered his mind. He decided, not the wind. It seems impossible. ସେ ଏହାକୁ ସେ ନିଜେ ଜାଣିଶୁଣି ରଖିଥିଲା, ଯାହାଫଳରେ ତା କାମ ପାଇଁ ଅଧିକ ଆଲୋକ ମିଳିପାରିବ ଏବଂ ପବନ ସ୍ରୋତରେ ଓଦାମଟି ଶୀଘ୍ର ଶୁଖିବ। କିନ୍ତୁ ପବନ ଏକ ଧ୍ୱଂସକାରୀ ହେବ, ଏହା ତା ମନରେ କେବେ ଆସିନଥିଲା। ସେ ସ୍ଥିର କଲା, ନା, ପବନ ନୁହେଁ, ଏହା ଅସମ୍ଭବ ଅଟେ। New words. So write down the new words on your notebooks. Mannequin. Mannequin ର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ପୁତଳା। Perhaps you have seen in the shops, especially garments, cloth garments. Trace. Trace ର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ଚିହ୍ନ। Disaster. Disaster ର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ବିପର୍ଯ୍ୟୟ। Remote. Remote ର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ଦୂରରେ। Deliberately. Deliberately ର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ଜାଣିଶୁଣି। Let's discuss some questions with answers. Question number 1. How did the image appear? ମୂର୍ତ୍ତିଟି କିପରି ଦୃଶ୍ୟମାନ ହେଲା? The image now appeared as clean and smooth as a mannequin. Where had the image been placed? ମୂର୍ତ୍ତିଟିକୁ କେଉଁଠାରେ ସ୍ଥାପନ କରାଯାଇଥିଲା? The image had been placed very close to the open window, only a meter away. Why had Govinda shifted the image deliberately? Govinda had shifted the image himself deliberately in order that more light would be available for his work.